Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm back here with another reaction video. Today we got Doja Cat Vegas from the original motion picture soundtrack Elvis audio. I guess they're doing the Elvis movie, don't know anything about it, but I'm here for Doja Cat. She just dropped, first time I'm hearing this song. I'm not sure if it's a music video or not. It looks like just a visualizer, but either way, when Doja drops, we try to listen because she really got bars. Y'all be sleep on Doja. Well, not really, I'm not gonna lie, y'all don't be sleep on Doja, but some people do. But anyway, Doja Cat Vegas, let's hop straight into it.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, yeah, I get it. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, you ain't nothing but a dog player. I get it. Fraud player. I get it.
Hold on, why she coming like this? I'm liking this already. She said, you ain't nothing but a dog player. I get it. Okay, okay. Hold on.
You ain't the man, you ain't the man. You ain't nothing but a dog. You ain't nothing but a player getting violated, running that whole whip. 2 fingers up, 1 down with my toes 10.
Ooh, 2 fingers up. Hold on. What?
Violated, running that whole whip. 2 fingers up, 1 down with my toes 10.
2 fingers up, 1 down, my toes 10. Yeah, she always spitting.
Flued out my boots, I'll put a cork in it. Love it when you be crying out when I'm corseted. I don't think you gon' make it. Do not let me start raging. I'm losing my patience. This ain't staying in Vegas. There's more side to the story, I'ma tell everybody. Had your ass sitting courtside with your arm around me. Had your ass in first class with your burnt ass out in Abu Dhabi. Could've been what we should've been, but you lost the bet, now you got it from me. Find a seat.
Is she talking about somebody? Is she talking about somebody public? Cause it sound like this coming from like an honest place. This don't sound like no bars for real. Like it sound like this is like reality, and she just talking. She just talking to us. You feel me? I don't know. Y'all let me know. I don't follow Doja like that on the socials, but when she drop, I'm here for it.
I ain't playing this hide and seek. High school where you finally peak. Hound dog come find a treat. I'm a bad bitch, but
Wait, hold on. That's a crazy bar too. High school is when you finally peaked. Imagine peaking in high school.
it could've been what we should've been, but you lost the bet, now you got it from me. Find a seat. I ain't playing this hide and seek. High school where you finally peak. Hound dog come find a treat. I'm a bad bitch, but dog player, I get it. Fraud player, I get it. Understand. You ain't the man, you ain't the man. You ain't nothing but a yeah, said I get it. I know you got some other you want it. I get it. You needed someone that could prove you wrong, so I reckon you leave all of your problems at the door to my city. You gon' need to tell my brothers where you from, and I admit it. I still got empathy, and you.
Hold on, where is Doja from? Like, and just looking at her, I would never be able to tell. And I don't really hear an accent. Maybe down south. Y'all let me know. Where's Doja from?
Gon' feel it for 2 weeks when I release you in them streets and keep my meaning discreet. Keep the clean in my Jeep and put that Yeezy in your teeth. Let my deeps off they leashes if you even think to speak. I'ma give all the meaning when you said you live in a dream. We could keep it sleeping, you gon' laugh at all your G's. Count them sheep. Time by Z, R.I.P. Dog player, I get it. Fraud. Player, I get it. Understand. You ain't the man, you ain't the man. Dog player, I get it. Fraud player, I get it. Understand. You ain't the man, you ain't the man.
And Doja is really one of them artists, like, she can spit. She knows how to do, like, she knows how to write. And I don't even know if she be writing everything, but, like, I'm going to just say she could put pen to a paper. Because it sounds like she be writing. If she freestyles all this, that's a different level. But the main thing I was trying to say is, some people, they got lyrics, but they don't know how to make a hit. And some people know how to make a hit, a hit, but they don't really have the bars to follow with it. Doja got both, and I think that's why she's right here. You feel me? She's at the top, because she could do both. And where's that little sound bite from? Like, what is that sample from? Y'all let me know. But Doja Cat Vegas, this is fire. I guess it's for the Elvis soundtrack. I didn't even know they were coming out with the Elvis movie. But I might watch it now. Honestly, I might watch it. But this is, I get this like a 8.5 out of 10. Real smooth, real smooth. I've heard better from Doja, but this was fire still though. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. But that's going to end this reaction video. I'm not going to take a like, comment, share, or subscribe, because if y'all rock with me, y'all going to do it anyway. And I'm going.